is Amazon worth it?
Absolutely. I mean, what else are you going to do, right? Etsy, Pinterest, TikTok Shop, Facebook, other marketplaces. None of those compare to how much money you can make on Amazon. When you start playing it all out,
Mina Elias
is a dynamic entrepreneur and former MMA fighter
who turned his passion for supplements
into a thriving Amazon business.
I started with very little. Back in 2018, I was looking for a keto electrolyte powder. There was nothing on the market that had high active ingredients, no sugar, for a reasonable price. So I created a $20 electrolyte. I started with $500 on a credit card. I just kept like recycling the money and investing again and again. And if you come up with a solution to a problem that's better than everyone else's solution, that's ultimately how the business grows. One of the things that was a light bulb moment for me is like, people want to focus on the PPC because it's almost like gambling, right? That immediate dopamine. Yesterday I spent $50, I made 80. I spent 100, I made 200. What do you need to do? You need to be in touch with your customer. You need to understand your customer, which is hard. You need to talk to them, which is hard. And then from there, you need to, and that's also hard. It's a difficult thing and people don't like doing hard things.
There must be a lot of people that throw in the towel.
When that happens, the only way to succeed is you need to compete, and you need to compete at the highest level.
What are the biggest pitfalls when it comes to Amazon?
Yeah, so number one,
listen to the full episode on our YouTube channel or wherever you consume your favorite podcasts.